But what I want you to know is that ManyChat is a very powerful and simple platform to use. Funnels and ClickFunnels is applicable to every single one of you listening to this or watching this right now. Free platforms that we use over here. By no means, these are the only free platforms. These are what I use. Remember, I only talk what I walk. If I have not walked it, you will not hear about it. You're not gonna hear me talk about an app or a platform or a service that I myself do not utilize. I'm never doing that. It's a firm policy, it's a philosophy that I have, that I don't like to be hypocritical. I don't like to be insincere. When you hear me talk about something, it's because I already have seen this thing exactly how it works and how it produces results. ManyChat is the first one. If you guys want to check that out, you can go to manychat.com and it's going to allow you to start learning about it. And there's a lot of content, not only myself, there's a lot of great people in this industry that teach you step by step how to utilize this platform. I'm a good friend of all the ManyChat staff and the incredible people there, and they really do make it easy for you to be able to capture attention on this platform and understand how to use it and how to get onboarded on the platform. One of the first things that you will see when you go to manychat.com is that, by the way, if you guys want to check it out, I would appreciate it if you go through my link, because that's going to show them that I am doing this for them. And I just love flowing energy to the people that I care about. And if you go to manuelsuarez.com/ManyChat, it's going to take you to the same exact spot that manychat.com will, but I'm going to be able to take credit for your visit. And once you sign up and you connect your Facebook page and you connect some of these initial steps, and allow ManyChat to capture phone numbers and emails and do some of the basic introductory things, which, by the way, if you guys want to have specific direction on that, send me a direct message on Instagram, Mr. Manuel Suarez, and I will get that to you right away. And I will give you some of the basic training that you need for that platform for free. All right, there are paid programs, but that's not how you need to start right now. So if you go to ManyChat, one of the first things that you will see is a case study that for one of the brands that I manage here, which is, you might have heard about the great and the one and only Dr. Eric Berg. He has one of the biggest ManyChat channels on planet Earth. One of the biggest ones, if not the second biggest one, because the biggest one is my dad's. We have 1.4 million people on that particular platform right there that we've accumulated over the last 3 years or so right now. Dr. Berg has a huge one that we built from scratch with these hands over here at this company. And there's a case study that shows you exactly how we did that. If you guys want to get access to that one, you can also message me or comment below and I will give you that information right now. If you're listening to the podcast, just go to Instagram and look for my profile, Mr. Manuel Suarez, Mr. Manuel Suarez, send me a direct message and I will get that case study and anything that you need right there, I will give it to you. But what I want you to know is that ManyChat is a very powerful and simple platform to use these strategies and bring them into your world. Very user-friendly, multi-channel, meaning that you can capture identities of people in different places, like Facebook Messenger, like phone numbers that you can text to, and email addresses that you can provide that connection to people and have them be interested in your brand more and more every single communication that they get from you. ManyChat. The other one is ClickFunnels. I'm a big fan of ClickFunnels. I always have been a big fan of ClickFunnels ever since I followed the founder of the company called Russell Brunson. And they have a great company and we use it here at AGM. That's what gave us this particular award right here. We have funnels that we have created. In short, a funnel is a process that you take somebody through. If you think about the actual definition of a funnel, it's something that you use in your kitchen to get a flow of water or liquid through a particular direction. This is the same thing, except that instead of liquid, you're putting customers through that journey until at the bottom of that funnel, you accomplish exactly what you need to accomplish, which is you either get a lead or you get a purchase or you get an upsell or you get something going at the end of that funnel. Whatever you're trying to do, that's what you accomplish at the end of that funnel. We have done a lot of funnels, and these funnels are very, very varied. And you can do funnels to create a contest or a challenge, or to sell one product, or to upsell a second product or a third product if you're an e-commerce brand. Funnels and ClickFunnels is applicable to every single one of you listening to this or watching this right now. If you have a lead generation business, chiropractic office, dentist office, if you need to service people, if you have a tax accounting service, if you have a real estate business, if you sell cars, if you have an e-commerce brand, if whatever the case is, if you have a business that could service more people, if you have the need for more identities, which don't we all, realistically, right? At AGM, what keeps things growing here is more students coming to our world and more clients jumping on the AGM services. That's what keeps us going. It's all about people. We are here to service people. And we all doing the same thing. Some of us are trying to sell one product. You're still servicing one particular person. Some of us are trying to service bigger groups of people or bigger audiences, different niches, and that's all the same exact thing that we're trying to accomplish. So it's all about people here. So if you need to get more people to pay attention, then you can do something like ClickFunnels, which has templates. And if you want to get access to some of my best templates, again, just comment below. I'm going to have one of my guys and respond to you and give you some more information on some of the templates that we utilize here at AGM. If you want to also send me a DM on Instagram, I want to give you guys practical things that you can utilize to get going. No more like dreams or like ideas that you cannot execute on. I want practicality. The 2021 message is get practical. Look at one thing that you can get done and get it done. If you get one funnel working correctly for yourself, there's a Russell Brunson, which is a co-founder of ClickFunnels. His big slogan is, you're one funnel away. That's his big message that he drives for this company. If you just create one funnel for lead generation or one funnel that's really powerful for selling a product and that is successful, all you gotta do is scale that and bring more people and drive in more traffic into that particular funnel. The same thing happens with ManyChat. Once you figure out one particular funnel, one route to bring people in, it becomes incredibly powerful for you to be able to just bring more traffic and just put those things in automatic. My third favorite platform, and basically our world here at AGM revolves around these three platforms, is Shopify. There's other things that we can talk about here. Like for example, we can talk about Amazon and we can talk about Magento and we can talk about all these other individual platforms and apps that can help you get more results. But Shopify is the very incredible, powerful e-commerce platform that you can use to create your website in no time. It allows you to create beautiful websites. It has incredible templates, and you can sell anything from digital products on it to physical products to even tickets and concerts and all kinds of other things. So it's very, very varied what you can do with the platform. Right now, we are working on a project with the great Daymond John in which we're gonna renovate his Shopify channel. If you go to daymondjohn.com, that website is a Shopify channel. He sells his books, he sells information, he sells programs and things like that, all of that hosted in the Shopify channel.